Hi guys, welcome to Motor Vehicle at the Eastbourne campus for mechanical, body, paint and MET. The three members of staff that will probably be teaching you are Mark Streeter, Mick Poyle and Andrew Bamber. Also, if you go into apprenticeships, you will meet Steve Russell and Mark Holmes-Seidel. Probably between us, we have over 120 years worth of experience in the trades. This slide will show you a little bit about level 1 preparation for industry. This is a course that's really sort of developed by us for you if you haven't done so well at school and you need to get your English and maths grades up. Also, it will show you a little bit of all the different courses that we can do. So you will learn a bit of mechanical, a bit of body, a bit of paint, and some of the MET, which is mechanical electrical trim. These all go together to create one massive skill set of transferable skills that you could use in various jobs. Okay, level 2 mechanical repair. This is run by Mark Streeter. Everyone starts with a certificate, but if you complete that and really love it, you can go on to a diploma, or you could go into the body and paint route. The idea of this is it teaches you all the aspects that you would need to get you into an apprenticeship, and those would go on to be learnt further in depth in an apprenticeship as well. Okay, this slide is about level 2 body and paint repair at Eastbourne campus. This is awarded under the ABC, or the New Skills and Education Group Awards. The main aspect of this course is, again, to get you the skills to get an apprenticeship. We run body 1 year and paint the next year, so you can hop onto those 2 years at any point. This year will be a body course. Some of the stuff we do in the body course are three sort of aspects of welding, fabrication, filler repairs, things like that. The paint course will be application of paints, top coats, primers, and all those sort of fancy things. Again, if you completed these and you get your maths and English levels up, if you really wanted to, then you could go back and do the mechanical course. Okay, so what do you need to get onto these courses? Prep for industry. Really, we want GCSE grades at 1 or 2 for maths and English. There is the chance that if you've got a load of other skills, you've been working on cars at home and things like that, that we will take you without those grades. Mechanical certificate, GCSE grades, sort of 3 or up to A, if you're doing really well. Body and paint, GCSE grades are sort of 2 and 3, maths and English again. Again, all of these things are based on knowledge, skills and behaviours, and they're all assessed over the first 6 weeks. So you need to get to the classes and really push yourself and show what you can do. So obviously at the moment it's really difficult that we can't show you around the place and show you what the workshops look like in the classrooms, which we really like to do when we're doing interviews. However, we've got some pictures on here. All of the courses we try to make as hands-on as possible. So meaning you're learning by doing with your hands. Most people that in this sort of trade find that the easiest way to learn is that way. We've got some pictures there. We've got the front of Hammond House. That's where we come into all of our workshops. You've got a little room at the top there, shows the computer room that we use, because you've got to be able to do ICT for some of these apprenticeships if you get that far, which would be great. Sort of bottom left and bottom right are 2 workshop images showing actual work going on some of the cars, and then the one at the bottom in the middle, that's the classroom, Mark Streeter's classroom actually. The body shop, we tend to use a little room tucked away in our body shop so that we can still carry on working with boots and overalls and things like that. So you're going to wonder what are these courses going to do for you? What can you do afterwards? Two big pictures on there, 2 different Rolls Royces. One of our previous students in motor vehicle mechanical was Lyndon Roberts back in 2006. He went on from there to gain an engineering degree and is now a senior development manager running a team at Rolls-Royce. He comes down here every year. He has done for the last 3 years, sort of September. Brings a car with him, does a presentation, lets you sit in it, have a look round, ask questions. How would you get into those sort of jobs? Other sort of careers that are going are obviously the basic ones that we're talking about. So you could be a service technician, a mechanic, a body shop technician, a painter. But also you've got jobs that you can be doing that all of us have done, the teachers have done. So sort of service manager, body shop managers, workshop controllers, vehicle damage assessors, and some of them paying a lot of money. So I've seen adverts for some panel beaters up to sort of 80 grand a year. So what's unique about our courses? Well, I think our pass rates are probably pretty unique. They are always sort of well over 90%, sometimes heading towards 100, and we have had courses where we've had 100% of the students that start on it that have gone all the way through and completed and passed the course. So that is a massive thing for us. Also, both with our mechanical and body shop, we probably have over, well, heading on towards 70 apprentices at the moment. So the way we work with local employers, garages, from massive garages to sort of small one-man bands, is really, really good. And we do really push people to get a job. That's what it's all about at the end of the day. If you're doing this training, you really want to sort of get a job and earn some money out of it. And the conversion rates from students coming in to actually getting a job is really, really high. Okay, so if you're coming from school and you've never been to a college, you're going to think, well, I wonder what it's like there. So, firstly, travel. Travel's pretty good. We've got a bus route. We've got really close access to the train station. A lot of students can walk in or ride a bike or get a lift because it's fairly central. Sort of friends, yeah, you're going to probably see a load of friends that you've had from school and meet a load of new ones. There's quite a lot of people on campus. I think it's about 3,000 or something like that. We do a lot of events, so you've got the big live event, sort of parties and things like that, where it's like an open air concert. They get DJs in and things like that. You've got sports clubs, really sort of quite close. Food outlets, we've got several great food outlets on site, also sort of walking distance to Subway and Sainsbury's. So that's a little bit about all the courses and the campus. Obviously, it's a little bit of a funny time, so we don't know exactly what's going to happen, but we will send out information to all students that are going to start. And all I can really say other than that is we look forward to seeing you come onto our courses in September, and hope you have some questions to ask us at the end of the presentation. Thank you.